Okay, let's jump into the fun facts about taxes. Let's first look at employment taxes and regular employees. A regular employee is somebody who is paid hourly, or a salaried employee, or a commissioned employee that you do not have a contract with. Now, you may have a contract for the commission, but you don't have a contract as in they are a subcontractor working for you. A regular employee is also somebody that you set the schedules for and you set the work duties for. You have to remember these things. With regular employees, you need to report and you need to pay employment taxes for that individual. You will definitely have to pay federal. Most states, but not all states, but most states have employment tax that you will have to pay. Some counties do, as well as some cities and local municipalities will have an employment tax. So you're going to have to do your research and figure out if your state, your county, and your city require employment taxes.